Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now of course, actually I woke up like 40 minutes ago and the time right now here where I live is 3:42 a.m. in the morning. Now actually guys, we traders, we never sleep 8 hours, as you know that. We are waiting for these kind of setups to be completed, and that's the reason I decided to make now this deal of the day video. Now let me just tell you something. We're having here something very interesting on the pound AUD, and this is my own signal, guys. I'm going to trade this signal and I will actually trade it as it is. That's why that's the reason, of course, I made this video. I wanted you guys to share with me this signal. So now let me just tell you something. Now what we are having right here is a strong key level of a resistance exactly right there at 1.92361. As you can see, the market has indeed been able to respect the same level of a resistance multiple times. Now let me just tell you something. Eventually, the pound AUD is going to continue the rise, but that won't happen until the market reach that level of a previous support right there at 1.89768. Why? Because right here, guys, we do have, of course, a strong support trend line, as you can see. And check this out. The market will continue the fall till it reaches that level of a support trend line. Also retesting the broken level of a resistance and the real level of a support right here. So eventually, based on the daily chart, the pound AUD will continue the rise, but not now. That's going to happen later. This pair, or the next daily candle for today, I think is going to be a bearish one. And the pound AUD is going to retest that level of a resistance, then continue the fall until it reaches that level of a support, then it might shoot up. Until then, we will be looking for selling the pair. That's the reason I believe that we can start selling the pair. This price action right here is very promising for the continuation in the bearish fall. Also, another reason is we are having here, of course, that level of a resistance trend line. As you can see, guys, we can check here that we are having also a channel like that. So right here, that channel of a resistance trend line has been respected. Again, the same channel, of course, as a support trend line has been respected. We have here 2 attempts of support trend line. Then we have here 1 attempt of a resistance trend line. Then the market made a bullish breakout from that level. Now we can expect from the market to continue the fall till it reaches the same level of the support trend line. So all in all, the pound AUD will continue the fall until it reaches that level of a support. That's the reason. That's going to be, guys, our take profit level. Exactly, just to be safe, right there. That's going to be our take profit level. Let's now move to the smaller time frame, such as 4-hour time frame, to identify our entry. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Exactly, check this out. Sorry. Right here, we're having a strong level of a previous resistance at 1.91103. Now, currently, the pound AUD is actually facing right here a previous support level. So there is a possibility for the market to make a pullback right now and respecting the same level of that resistance, and then it will continue the fall. And just to add another kind of confirmation to this trade, we do have right here a broken level of a support trend line, and check this out right here. Let me just make it accurate. Exactly, just like that. Fantastic, yes. Now we can see that this level of support trend line has been respected. It became a resistance trend line for only once, and then a bullish breakout happened. It became a support trend line again, and now the market made the bearish breakout from that level. Now, if the pound AUD will make a pullback, we can expect, first of all, that level of a previous resistance trend line is going to be respected. Second of all, that level of a real resistance will also be retested and respected. For that, let's wait for the pound AUD to rise again to another 33 pips, and then we will continue shorting it till it reaches the nearest key support level at 1.90063, aiming approximately 100 pips profit from this signal, and a stop loss that shouldn't be ranging more than half of that for about, I would say, like, let me just make it half. We don't need more than that because we are mainly relying actually on that level of a resistance and that resistance trend line. So therefore, if the candle will be able to reach that level of a resistance, then this setup most likely is no longer valid. Therefore, our stop loss, guys, will be right here for about 60 or 57 pips only. One final confirmation with this trade, guys, is of course by using the Fibonacci retracement, and check this out. Sure enough, we're actually going to be entering this trade almost at 38.2, and our target will be at 61.8. So anyway, let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes your deal, my friends, for today on the pound AUD. Guys, again, another reminder that just because it's coming from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that this trade is going to be a profitable one. Of course, no one here promising you any profits. And for that reason, of course, guys, you have to be always careful about your funds and how you are trading this signal. This signal is just a Forex signal. It's not a money management promising system. It's never a guaranteed shot. It's not something that you can rely on every day. Always there is a possibility for any signal I'm sending to fail, and that is normal in Forex. There is no way that someone can send you all the time 100% winning signals. So for that reason, of course, if it worked, it means that the market has actually respected my I was able to find the best trade. If it win, then if it was a winning trade, it means that I was able to find how the market will move. If it failed, then it's just another signal that has failed, and that's it. No need to point fingers or for any kind of accusations. Of course, another reminder also to join the free group of Telegram here, just in case, guys, if I notice any price action against our signal, I will send you here a notification to close the signal instantly before it hit the stop loss. Of course, it didn't happen with the pound JPY yesterday. I know the pound JPY signal has failed. It hit the stop loss, but because I was really nervous about it, to be honest with you, I didn't know what to do. The market yesterday was shitty and horrible market. The USD, the CAD, the Japanese yen banks were closed, and for that reason, the market yesterday was really horrible, and I just let the signal run. However, I will not do the same with the pound AUD. If I notice any price action going against our direction, I will inform you to close it in loss as soon as possible before it reach the stop loss. Sorry for the long speech. Anyway, guys, until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.